This video demonstrates how you can enrich up to 100 leads from LinkedIn for free using LinkFinder AI, a safe LinkedIn scrapper tool. It highlights how this tool helps you efficiently gather LinkedIn profile URLs and perform data scraping to enhance your lead information. In this video, we are going to see how you can enrich up to 100 leads from LinkedIn for free using LinkFinder AI, a safe LinkedIn scrapper tool. You go in the description of this video and you click the first link here. This will redirect you to LinkFinder AI, and you can create a free account to get some free credits. You can create a free account to get some free credits. Once on LinkFinder, you will see that you are granted some free credits on the tool. The first thing we will do is to find LinkedIn URLs for our leads. First, I select lead full name from the input type dropdown. Then I select the type of the output, and I select LinkedIn profile URL. I select LinkedIn profile URL as the output type. Here I can go in the Upload CSV bulk section. I fill in the lead full name, for example, Bill Gates. Then I click Company Name. I fill in the company name, for example, Microsoft. I click Enrich Data. This will return the lead LinkedIn URL. In our case, we want to find the LinkedIn URLs for up to 100 leads. For that, I go in the Upload CSV bulk section, which will let me enrich a CSV of people. Here is the CSV with up to 100 people. I drop the CSV file with my leads. I process items one by one to get their LinkedIn profile URLs. Here we can see the list of LinkedIn URLs for our leads. You can see there are many found URLs and some not found. We can export the result as a CSV. Now from this list of URLs, we'd like to do the LinkedIn scrapping. I select LinkedIn profile URL as the input type again. In the output type, I'd like to do LinkedIn profile data scraping. I select LinkedIn profile data as the output type. I click Process Items to start scraping. You can export the scraping results as a CSV file. You can click Export to save the final data as a CSV file.